Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy open-faced roast beef sandwiches. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with a saucepan with 4 cups of water in it. And I'm going to turn my heat on. And I have 4 packs of instant brown gravy mix. And guys, this is going to be really quick and easy. You're not going to believe how easy it is. And it's going to be really delicious. I'm going to go ahead and whisk the 4 packs of gravy mix into the 4 cups of water. You just want to mix all your gravy in there. And Dexter's in a really good mood today, guys, because we're not having, the other white meat. I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil, and this will thicken up really fast. So I'm going to go ahead and let this come to that gentle boil and thicken this up, and then when this is thick, I'll bring it back. Right now that my gravy's all nice and thick, and I have it down on simmer, here's where it gets as easy as can be. I have 2 pounds of deli roast beef, and I'm going to get a couple slices in this gravy, and that's how we're going to warm this roast beef up. You just want to drop this down in here. I'm going to go for about 4 slices. We're going to load this sandwich up with roast beef. And I'm just going to get in here with a fork, and we're just going to move this roast beef around in that gravy to get that gravy through it and to warm it through, and it won't take long, it'll just take a second. Alright, now I have a piece of sourdough bread over here I sliced in half. We're going to go ahead and place our roast beef on there. And if it breaks apart, that's no big deal, guys. Alright. Guys, I also went ahead and made some mashed potatoes to go with this little fresh parsley on top. Let me get in here and try this. Now this is a meal fit for a king, made in minutes. And I must confess, guys, my mashed potatoes are instant mashed potatoes, because I wanted to make this as easy as could be. The hardest part about this was the fresh parsley, which I had on hand. I also used dry parsley or no parsley at all. It's really good. That gravy is rich. The roast beef has a good flavor. It's like as if you took roast beef from a Sunday dinner and took the gravy from it and made hot roast beef sandwiches. That sourdough bread is delicious with a nice, airy, cranny, texture. It's really delicious. It was really easy. No problem at all. Alright, there you have it. Easy open-faced roast beef sandwiches. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.